Hey guys, so today we'll be making a professional autoclicker which can click from 60 to 80 CPS. I made an important announcement at the end of the video, so please watch till the end. So let's get started. It's basically a autoclicker, like it can click up to 60-70 CPS, so clicks per second. So for this, import time and threading. Threading is an important part of this program, so you must import it. Now you need to open up the terminal and type in pip install py and pynput to install this library which will be used to get access of mouse and keyboard. Now import the following things from it from pynput: import button and keyboard controller. From pynput.keyboard import key code. Listener, etc. There are many things you can look up to about this library. You can get the link from, you can just search it up in Google. Now set the click delay to be 0.01 seconds. I'm putting it as so, you can do it whatever you want. Now you need to declare the button, put the button you want to auto click. Mine is left. Usually in games and stuff, the left button is like the main, so I'm putting left as an example. You can put any. And you have to set the start stop key from which you are going to start the program and stop the auto clicking. For this, use the key code which you import from keyboard.pynput library. Make sure the character is inside a string, and say the exit key will basically exit the program and stop the program, so you can no longer start the auto clicking again. Now just create a class called click mouse or anything you would like, and the inside parentheses create a thread inside it. After that, define a function in it. Define initialize function. It allows the class to initialize the attributes of the class. It's just the basic thing that you need to know. Put the attributes inside it, and after that we'll be using super function. Super function returns an object that represents the parent class. You can search about it, learn about it in detail in any website about Python. Now just declare the attribute inside the function. Keep the running false and program run true, because after program runs, autoclick only runs after pressing the key, the start stop key. And you can put anything as your auto clicking button, as I mentioned before also. After you do that, declare another function. Now create a function to tell the program that running is true now because user had started clicking, and another function to tell user has stopped clicking, which sets the running to be false. Now put the self-returning equals false because you have stopped clicking. And also create a function to exit the program. If you press the start stop key, then the autoclick will start to stop. And if you press the exit key, which I type in H, if I press S, the program will basically stop and exit. Remember, this is just a skeleton, like this is like just without any GUI, so you have to come to the IDE to run the program. You can make a GUI, it's really not that hard. You can just create it by using PyAutoGUI or any PyQt, anything. Okay, at this part I have done a small mistake here, which you can correct by following clip. This program runs two while loop inside it to check the program if it is running or not. Please correct that mistake, because I knew that mistake only at the end of the video. So now declare a variable to denote mouse as the controller from the pynput library. You need to start the thread right now to start the program or the clicking process. Now define a function called onPress to check what key user has pressed and what should the program respond to the key. If the key pressed is Z, then it means that the user is trying to start auto clicking, or if it's already started, user is trying to stop the auto clicking. Or if the key is exit key, that means the user wants to exit the program. So if key is start stop key, the user basically wants to check if the program is started already, then the program will stop the auto clicking and put in the else statement. If the the auto clicking has not started, user wants to start the auto clicking by pressing the key. And if the key is exit key, then the programs will be stopped. The program runs will be set to false, I guess. Just thread that exit, and at last you have to declare the listener. That's it. This is just threading stuff you have to know. Okay, so the program is done basically. Now we just have to start the program. Let's run the program and see how it works. Open up the place where you want auto clicking. I'm just going to type in cps-test.org because it is just better place to test your clicks per second. Now you can see it is clicking like 60 to 70 cps. The clip is a bit laggy because I'm running 4 heavy software at the same time during the recording of this video. So if you press G, the auto clicking will start, and if you again press the G, the auto click will slow down or stop. And after you have done the auto clicking, you can press S to close the program, and the program will no longer run. As you can see, it is stopped already. You can join my Discord server, which I recently made. You can throw your problems there. Thank you for watching.